YouTube, it's Loren, and I know I haven't made a video in a while, so here. I got a shot today, and it hurt really bad, and they were all out of the SpongeBob Band-Aids, so I had to deal with this stupid tan Band-Aid. I cried. Just kidding, I didn't cry, but it still hurt really bad. And after that, I went to Subway. Did you know they have drive-thrus for Subway now? I think that's, like, amazing. I tried to scrunch my hair today. You can tell, it looks like a hobo threw up all over me. No. You know what else that bugs me? People that put their animals in clothes. Like, just the other day, I saw this woman with a dog, like, in my neighborhood, and the dog had a sweater. I'm like, lady, it's like 90 degrees out. Nobody, no. Your dog doesn't like it. We don't like it. Why does your dog have a sweater on? Geez, people these days. I swam yesterday. I swam in a race. I got second place, and then I got first place, and then I got third place. But you know what? I was up against guys, and I won. So I'm happy. And there was this guy, and he was going really fast, and I'm just like 13, 14. This guy's like 15, 16. He has a mustache, and he's swimming in my division. I'm like, dude, should be like in college or something. I'm not swimming against 13-year-olds. No. My face looks weird. I get my braces off in 2 months. I got my nails done. I never get my nails done. It's just all my friends do it. And, I don't know. I felt like I needed to get my nails done. So I did. The lady tried to do a flower on the nail. Kind of looks like a lemon. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of looks like a lemon. You got gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Happy llama, sad llama, big dolly, retarded llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama, camel. You know what I hate? I hate people who sneeze like, okay, either they do those totally big, like, ginormous sneezes like, or there's people that do the tiny little sneezes with a huge intro. Like they'll be parkour, parkour. Oh look, it's a light post. Move, light post. Y'all gotta look that up. That is like hilarious. NigaHiga, how to be ninja. That makes me laugh. Okay, y'all have to look that up. Okay, the link right here. Okay, click that. Love you. Mean it. Stay beautiful.